Hey again, what I want to do in this video, I want to do two things. One of them, when I want to click on any person, I see only the post for that person. So if you see now I have too many posters, Hussein and Jenna. I want to click on Jenna, see only post for Jenna. Click on Hussein, see post only for Hussein. Also I want to fix this one, I don't see the real date. So first we start with the basic one, how to fix the real date. If you see here, tweet ticket, the date should be displayed here on this one, which is named txt tweet date. Okay, so I could fix it easily by going here. I say where is the place for loading the tweets? So going up should be this part. So my view dot txt tweet date dot text should be whatever I have in my tweet dot the date. So I have a tweet date. So this line should be fixed, or that one should be fixed by adding this line only. There we go. Now see, he showed me everyone the real date of the post. He did not show me the temporary one. Also, so much more I have to do. I want when someone and click on this person, I see only the post for that person. So going back here in same place, see I have something named username. So I want to do listening on that username. So say set on click listener. When someone click on this one, on click listener. So hopefully this one. So I want to listen for when someone click on it. So when someone click on it, I want to call a specific web service to do a specific job. So what I want to do, if you just go back to our work, if you just go here to this web service, which is list, that the operation number 1 was different from 2, different from 3. So if I want to see the post for a specific person, I have to call this URL. Is that right? Yes, this is my URL for post for a specific person. Okay, so go here. And this is my URL should be. Yes. So this should be my URL. So just post it in this way. I want to call it the same way that I do any other call. So just copy the calls. And instead of that URL, I have it already. I replace it with my URL, which is this one. So this one is my URL, and my IP should be 10.0.2.2, and the operation should be 2, and the user ID, which is whatever the post user ID, whatever I have it here for the person. So here instead 1 up. So here I would say dot person ID. So now did you realize what's the hopefully I passed the person ID up. See, I don't pass the person, I pass tweet ID, person name, but I never passed the person ID with that view. So we need to fix this part. So person ID should be part from the view. So looking back to our tickets that we have it here, or with PHP file that we have it, what we have of not this one, the database schema. So if I just want to see the database schema, I have to go to the Kotlin, Android, then I have to go to the Twitter web service script. So this should be my script. So what I have here, see some information that I passed using this script, whatever the editor that you want to use, that's fine. I pass user ID. I have user ID. I have it. That means I don't need to do any update. So user ID is coming as a part from, let me make sure if the user ID coming here. So tweet ID, user ID is coming. So yeah, I just implement this one. So just implement it and I should be fine. So to do it, so I will keep this one here. I have to go to the ticket again to update it to person ID added here. Okay, then person ID should be part from this one as a string and should be initialized here. Okay, so person ID should be sent it as a part of this one, but we have too much work to do now, too much updates. So whenever we have person ID here, for example, say hey, I don't have any person ID, 0, we could pass as a string, nothing. What's more, I have it. So just look through all the places. I have to send it here as nothing. What about this one? This important part, I need to get it. So in the same way that I get other part, I get the person ID. So person ID in the ticket, name it as user ID. So make sure just get this one and set it here as a user ID. So it should be here, then you should be fine. So this one, nothing. So now what I have anymore, let me just look for add tweet dot add. Oops. Hopefully now everything is fine. Hopefully. Ticket. Oops. Up. Let me reload and see. So again back, if I just look here, I have to look for ticket. So if I just add it correctly here, making sure I just did everything right. So okay, so this one have it. This one should be okay, 3 after the add. No, that's fine here. Fine here, fine this one. Okay, have to have one more. I just have to fix all the errors that I have it. So for the other, so what about this one? Person ID is fine. What about this one? Person ID is fine. So it should be now all the person ID is fine, no errors. So let me run it and see if we will be able to see the ticket for a specific person or not. There we go. Hopefully now everything's fine. So if I click on any person, I see only the post for that person. So now I have all the posts for all the people. So I click on Jenna, hopefully see only Jenna posts. If I click home back, I click on Hussein, I will see only Hussein posts. I don't see other people posts. So yes, here we done. Thank you for watching. See you next.